Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy an Amazon gift card for somebody who is in a different country than yours. So if you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing by clicking on that red button down below and by clicking on that bell notification so you can be notified every time that I upload a new video, because I'm gonna be bringing more content about Amazon very soon. So let's get started. Before we get started, let me tell you that in this channel you will be finding tutorials like this one about Amazon, but I also make tutorials about Facebook. If you are a Facebook group administrator, I highly suggest that you watch this playlist right here, because I tell you all about how you can manage your Facebook groups. Let's just get into this video. My case, let me tell you my case and my story. Right now, I'm living in Canada, but I have relatives. All my family is back in Mexico. We want to make sure that we get each other's gifts in every special occasion. Like, for example, in their birthdays, we make sure that they get a gift from us. And sometimes they make either a wish list, an Amazon wish list, but sometimes they just want to choose them by themselves. And an easy way that you can do kind of transfer money, but instead of transferring the money, they will be getting the money so they can buy something from Amazon. It's by buying an Amazon gift card. So I'm gonna show you how you can buy a gift card while you are being in Canada, but for a family member who is in a different country. Can you do that? Yes, but you have to be careful and watch out for all the details that I'm gonna tell you in this video. Let's go to my computer now. We are going to focus our tutorial in how you can buy an Amazon gift card for a person who is in another country. So in this case, I am in Amazon.ca right now, but I want to buy a family member an Amazon gift card so they can buy from Amazon with that gift card, but it will be in Mexico, in their country. Because they are in a different country, you cannot buy the Amazon gift card here on Amazon.ca. So what I'm gonna be doing is going to Amazon.com.mx, and that's the way that you are going to be buying a gift card for this person who is in Mexico, so they can actually use it there. The next thing you're gonna do is to log in to the Amazon of the country that you're gonna buy. So in this case, I'm gonna be using the same account. You will be using the same account. And you're gonna log in, and once that you are there, you are going to buy an Amazon gift card. As you can see, you are logged in the same account, just in a different country. And here in the menu that from Amazon.com.mx, you have this menu which says Tarjetas de Regalo, which is gift cards. So you're gonna click on that, and in this case, you will be doing that same click on the gift cards, but in the language of the country that you want to buy this gift card. Then you're gonna click on the one that you want to send, and in this case you can see a lot of different designs for the gift card that you want to send. You have a birthday, you have a wedding gift card, or any other, because it's gonna be Halloween soon, next weekend actually, so you can have a theme of Halloween as well for the fall season. I'm gonna be using a birthday gift card, and I'm going to select this one. So the first step here to buy the Amazon gift card is the design that you like. If you don't like any of those, you can just click on view more in this case, and then you are going to customize your gift card with an amount of money that you want to give. This is in the currency of the country that you're in, okay? So keep in mind that. in this case is in Mexican pesos. So I'm gonna select 1,000 and then I'm gonna to type in her email address. And then you can customize also the message here. And then you just say the quantity of the gift card and when do you want it to be delivered. I want it to be delivered tomorrow. Now let's review. We want this design. This is the message and this is the amount of money that you want to send. And then you just want to make sure their email address is right. Then here is from your name and then the message you want to add and when do you want it to be delivered. If you want to see the full view, is the preview of the gift card. It says that it will be delivered to this email on this date, and then it says who is sending this gift card, and then the design, the message, and the amount of money, and then the code of the card. This is what she is going to be seeing on her email once that she gets it. Okay, so I'm going to buy it now. You can either add it to the cart or just buy it for now. I'm just gonna buy it now. Then it sends you to the payment method and you're gonna be selecting the payment method that you want. And I'm gonna add a new card and then you set add card. It's gonna be there now. You just make sure that it's selected and then you just click on continue and you're gonna select a billing address and then you just add it. Once you're in the almost there, it asks you to review every detail. So you have a message that it says the digital delivery will be after 5 minutes of being finalized. Then you have your credit card here, the billing address of the payment method you selected, and then it says it will be delivered on the date that you selected. It's a summary here of everything we just reviewed, and then it says what is next. And here it says that the person who's going to be receiving this gift card will be receiving it within a few minutes, unless that you have set up this gift card to be delivered until a different date, and that you will be notified when this gift card has been received. Okay, so now you just go and click on finalize and then you're going to click here, and then you are going to be asked to give the password of Amazon account again, and then once that it says that the payment was authorized, and there it is. So I hope you liked this video and that it was useful for you. If it was, don't forget to click on the like button. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and also if it was easy for you to buy a gift card for your relative or family or friend. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.